guys, hope you all are doing well. So if you don't know me, I'm Ankita and I make so many different types of videos. So you can go and check out my videos and subscribe to my channel and hit on that bell icon so that you get notified every time when I upload a video. So on today's video, I'm going to make a beginner's makeup kit under rupees 300 and I will try to make this video as short as I can. क्योंकि ये वीडियो थोड़ा सा lengthy होने वाला है, but I will try to make this short. So instead of taking a lot of your time, let's get into the video. So the first thing we need in our makeup kit is that a primer. So the first option is this one. This one is from NY Bay. The price of this one is 225. Next is this aloe vera gel from Patanjali. The price of this one is ₹90. ये आपको 45 रुपीज में भी मिल सकता है. वर्ल्ड का सबसे लोएस्ट प्राइस चीपेस्ट होगा अगर कुछ प्राइमर तो ये है. एंड इफ यू आर बिगिनर, दिस वन इज द बेस्ट वन फॉर यू. Let's move with the foundation. So the first option I have for you is this foundation from Lakme. The price of this one is 140, which is under our range. The next option is this from Maybelline. The price of this one is 500, but as we all know Maybelline में वो ट्यूब वाला भी मिलता है तो वो I think under 300 है. 300 के अंडर ही है if I'm not wrong. So you can try that one also. I use that tube. I use this one and I use that tube also. But मैंने ट्यूब गायब कर दिया तो मैं आपको ये वाला दिखा रही थी. तो ये तो obviously under range है. You can check that out. So the next product we need is that compact powder. So the first one is from Maybelline. Maybelline Fit Me. The price of this one is 199, which is under our range. The second option is from Lakme. The price of this one is 220. Last option I have for you is this compact powder from Streetwear. Cost of this one is 175. So the next thing we need in our makeup kit is that kajal. So some girls loves to wear kajal without doing any makeup. So I have the best option for you under budget. So the first one is from Nykaa. This kajal is from Nykaa. The price of this one is 199, which is under our budget. So the second option I have for you is this from NY Bay. The price of this one is only ₹77 and actually this is in color white. इसमें आपको black भी मिल जाएगा and I think the cheapest kajal in the whole market आपको यही मिलेगा and this one is the bestest one. मैं personally इसे use करती हूँ and all the products I'm going to show you in this video are personally used by me and I know how the quality of each and every products are. तभी मैं ये वीडियो में शेयर कर रही हूँ आप लोगों के साथ. So you can trust my words and you can buy if you want to. The next thing which I'm going to share with you all is the favorite part of my makeup look, that is eyeliner. So I have so many options for you, but I'm going to give you 3 options under our budget. So the first option I have for you, this is from Dazzler and the price of this one is only ₹300 and the price of this one is only ₹30. Yes, this is only ₹30 and this works great. I'm using this product from last 1 year and this works great. Actually this works great. The second option I have for you is this one is from Lakme and the price of this one is ₹100, which is another a good deal for us. So the last option I have for you is my favorite one. If you are on budget under ₹300, you can definitely go with this one and you will definitely going to love this one. I'm swear you are going to love this one. So I'm talking about this one. This one is from Blue Heaven and you are going to love this one. I swear. I'm repeating, you are going to love this one. So now let's move with the mascara. So I have 2 options for you. So the first option I have for you is this. This one is from Maybelline hyper curl easy wash. This one is washable. You can go with the waterproof one also. This costed me around ₹226 जो मुझे सेल में मिला था, एंड ये आपको इसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस है ₹310. तो हमारा बजट के अंदर ही है, 10 रुपए ज्यादा है बस. नॉट एन इशू फॉर अस. So the second option I have for you is this one is from Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara, and this costed me around ₹336, which is under our budget. बस 30 rupees ज्यादा देना है. So now let's move with the cutest part of the makeup, which I can say, that is the part of blush. Yes, so many of us love to use the blush. Yes, so I have a good option for you, which is under our budget. So this one is from Blue Heaven, and the shade of this one is 501, and the price of this one is only ₹119, which is a great deal for us. So can we imagine we can get a eyeshadow palette under ₹300? Can we? I think we can't. But luckily I found a non-branded eyeshadow palette which costed me only ₹180, and that eyeshadow palette is actually very pigmented one. I don't know, मैंने लोकल मार्केट से लिया था, and this costed me, obviously I have told you, only ₹180. I'm talking about this one. I don't know the name, but ये बहुत ज्यादा अफोर्डेबल है, तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर लूं. इजीली मिल जाएगा. ये क्या इधर पे लिखा है, QIAOYAL. I don't know the pronunciation. So मैं इसका नाम डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी, आप लोग चेक कर सकते हो. शायद आपके लोकल मार्केट पे आपको मिल जाए, या फिर ऑनलाइन में मिल सकता है. आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दैट थिंग. सो आई विल टाइप द नेम ऑन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, यू कैन चेक दैट आउट. सो हर चीज तो हमें अंडर ₹300 नहीं मिलेगा. सो आई हैव अ गुड आई शेडो पैलेट which costed me under ₹700. Yeah, I have paid ₹699, which is under 700 obviously. So I'm talking about this eyeshadow palette. This is from Huda Beauty. So now let me share with you all about highlighters. So the cheapest one I got on internet. So this one is from Swiss Beauty, and the price of this one is only ₹262. The original price of this one is 349, but मुझे ये 262 में मिला. भी इजीली मिल जाएगा क्योंकि नायका में सेल चलता रहता है, तो आपको मिल ही जाएगा. So the second option I have for you is this one is from Maybelline. This one is 550, but मुझे ये 357 में मिला. तो वही सेल में मिला, आपको भी मिलेगा श्योर, क्योंकि अभी बहुत सेल चल रहा है हर एक एप्स पे, हर एक वेबसाइट पे, तो आपको इजीली मिल जाएगा. So the favorite part of every girl, that is lipsticks. I have so many options, but I think I should go with the basic one. So the first option I have for you is this one is from Maybelline, and the price of this one is 299. अगर आपको स्वैच देखना है इस लिपस्टिक का, मैंने अपने हॉल पे, नायका के हॉल पे इसका स्वैच डाला था. यू शुड गो एंड वॉच दैट वीडियो ऑल्सो. मैं फिर भी आप लोग के लिए स्वैच करके दिखाती हूँ. सो द शेड ऑफ दिस वन इज बर्गंडी ब्लश. आई एम यूजिंग दिस सेम शेड फ्रॉम अ लॉन्ग टाइम, क्योंकि मेरा यही फेवरेट है. सो आई यूज द सेम शेड. आई डोंट नो, लोग मुझे पागल कहेंगे, बट दिस वन इज माई फेवरेट शेड, तो मैं इसी को यूज करती हूँ. सो द सेकेंड ऑप्शन आई हैव फॉर यू इज दिस वन इज फ्रॉम हुडा ब्यूटी, जो हमें शायद से ये वाला वो जो एक सेट आता है उस पे मिलता है, बट मैंने पर्सनली अलग सा एक सिंगल पीस खरीदा है जिसका कॉस्ट है ओनली ₹90. सो यू शुड गो विद दिस वन इफ यू लव liquid matte lipstick. And by the way, that this one is creamy matte lipstick, so I will tell all the difference between the lipstick. This one is creamy matte lipstick, this one is liquid matte lipstick, and I have another option for you. Just wait for a second. If you want glossy lipstick, you should go with this one. This one is from Lotus, and the shade of this one is Crimson Red. I'm doing the swatch for you. इसका कलर, you should go with this one if you love to wear glossy lipstick. And yeah, I forgot to do the swatch for this one. I'm doing the swatch for this one also. So the last thing we need in our makeup kit is fixer. So I have a option for you which is under rupees 300. खोल दिया मैंने, rupees 300. So I'm talking about this fixer spray. This one is from Swiss Beauty, and the price of this one is only rupees 168. I think we have done with our video. No, we haven't done with our video. So I'm talking about brushes. So I have a good option for you. This one is from Elemis. They have how many brushes? I don't know. I have to count. The brushes are so cute, so tiny actually. I'm showing you. Wait, पता नहीं कहाँ से पकड़ा मैंने. बहुत ही टाइनी है, बहुत क्यूट है. एंड दिस कॉस्टेड मी ओनली ₹77. मरोड़ लो, जैसे भी कर लो, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. 77 रुपीज में आजकल तो मुझे एक अच्छा डायरी मिल्क भी नहीं मिलता, इधर पे ब्रशेस मिल रहे हैं. वाओ, बहुत अच्छी बात है. I have another option for you also. If you are under budget ₹600, you should go with this one. मैं भी वही ब्रश का सेट यूज कर रही हूँ जिसमें बहुत सारा ब्रशेस मिलते हैं. अराउंड 24 to 21 शायद से. लुक, so these brushes are from BP Bronzen. ये कुछ ऐसे टाइप के पाउच बोल सकते हो, पाउच या कुछ ऐसा होगा. इसमें अभी भी बहुत सारा ब्रशेस है जो मैंने अभी तक यूज नहीं किया है. If you afford under ₹600, you should definitely go with this one. And yeah, I will suggest कि आप लोग separate brushes लो, so you can check the Wet n Wild brushes. They really have good brushes under budget. Even I have ordered few brushes from Wet n Wild. Let's hope for the best. So I think I have done with my today's video. So if you have any queries regarding my video or regarding any of the product, let me know in the comment section. And by the way, I don't know you people I got so many DMs on my Instagram that दीदी इसका प्राइस कितना है, ये कैसे अप्लाई करना है, एवरीथिंग एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू रिप्लाई ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन, सो आई थिंक यू विल अंडरस्टैंड माई प्रॉब्लम. एंड सम ऑफ यू ऑलरेडी टोल्ड मी दैट आई हैव एटीट्यूड, दैट्स व्हाई आई डोंट रिप्लाइड यू बैक. नो, दिस इज नॉट द रियलिटी. आई डोंट हैव एनी एटीट्यूड. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल कि मैं हर एक इंसान का रिप्लाई दे सकूं. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. सो लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. सो आई विल गिव द रिप्लाई ऑन दैट. शायद से आपके जैसा सिमिलर क्वेश्चन किसी और का भी हो तो मैं आपको रिप्लाई ना दूं, किसी और को दूं, फिर भी आपको इसका आंसर मिल सकता है. नो मी अबाउट योर क्वेरीज ऑन द कमेंट सेक्शन. सो सी यू गाइज ऑन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.